So hi friend, this is Amit and here I am going to provide you the complete information regarding the WBJE 2024 cutoff for top private and government colleges. Everything I am going to discuss here. So please try to listen my word very carefully, and in upcoming days also you will get some more information about more colleges and also the complete procedure of counseling, how you need to do so that you will not miss the chance to get the best out of your rank. So please try to subscribe the channel and watch this video up to the last so that you will get the complete information. So here I will consider all branch safe cutoff for CSE, IT, EC and other branches as well. And most of you are looking for CS, IT, EC only in West Bengal colleges. I know, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. So here is first of all Kolkata University. Here if you are from other state or home state, you can take the admission. So there are only few government colleges in West Bengal available for other state student as well. Otherwise all the government colleges are available for only home state with different type of category wise ranking as well. It is category wise reservation. Otherwise all private college will be available for all students even if you are from other state as well. So now if you talk about Kolkata University, CSE will be available up to 1.4 thousand for general, and in OBC home state only. Other state, if you are from other state and if you are from OBC or SC ST, that will not be applicable here. You will be treated as general only. So here what I am talking is for home state OBC candidate 1.8 and 2000. There is two type of OBC category, OBC A and OBC B. For SC 6000, ST 12,000. For IT 1.8 thousand and 2.47 and 18,000. Now if you talk about for EC 2.43, 9 and 23,000, all are CRL, that is general rank, general merit rank, GM you can say in term of WBJE result. Now if you talk about for other, that is other than these three branches that are very less demandable as compared to these three branches, the cutoff will be 6,000 for general, 7,000 for OBC, 19 for SC and for ST 60,000. Now if you talk about the other college, that is Jadavpur University, you will get a full-fledged video, separate video for this college separately in the upcoming days, but here I am going to provide you a brief information regarding different type of branches. CSE 270 and whatever cutoff I am providing you, these are for up to third round, that is third round mop-up round. Once you do the counseling in a better manner, you will surely get the college. So for that, if you want, you can contact me. There is a very nominal charge for that. In the description you will get the app link, website link, as well as my WhatsApp number and Instagram also. You can contact me directly through that, or also through app and website. You can contact me and you can get your guidance at very nominal charge up to admission is done. It is one-to-one guidance up to admission is done, so that I will help you for choice filling, decision making, everything, and not only for WBJE but for other counseling also. In the next section you can check the detail of my guidance. Here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything. That is DOSA, CSAB, Jagdeli, Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, Comet K, EEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So right on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending a bit. So now if you talk about for general 270 and 60, 270 is for home state and other state it is 60. For OBC 330 and 600, it is for home state OBC but OBC A and OBC B, like this. And for SC 1000, ST 5.4 thousand. For EC 680, 330, that is for general, home state, other state, OBC 1 and 1.8 thousand, and SC 3.2 thousand, ST 12,000. And IT 620 to 300, 620 and 300 for home state, other state. For OBC 700 and 1.4 thousand. It is not 2.4, it is 1.4 thousand, and SC 2.6 thousand, ST 11,000. Other branches then these will be available up to 4,000 also for general, home state 1.9 thousand for other state, OBC 6,000, 13,000, that is for OBC AB, and for SC 12,000, ST up to 55,000 also. You will get the seat in Jadavpur University. I will provide you more detailed information for every branch. I will discuss the cutoff and everything of this college I will discuss in a separate video. So kindly subscribe the channel so that you will not miss the video. Now if you talk about other college, Kalyani Government Engineering College, CSE 2000, 8000, 13 and 3 and 6000, that is for OBC AB. In case of OBC, there is two type of OBC available in West Bengal JEE, that is reservation available for two type of OBC, OBC A and B. So I am providing you two type of cutoff. IT 2.9, 8.5, 28, 3.5, 7000. This college is only available for home state student. For EC 4, 12, 47, 5 and 10,000. Mechanical 8, 17, 58, 10 and 22,000. Electrical engineering 6, 15, 52, 8 and 15,000. Now if you talk about Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College, here is the information. For general 3,000 CSE, SC 9,000, ST 29,000, OBC 4.4, 8.5 thousand. For IT 4.5, 10, 37, 6 and 13,000. For EC 6, 13, 62, 9 and 18,000. Other 15, 25, 71, 20 and 50,000. This was for Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College. Now if you talk about other college, that is Academy of Technology, also known as AOT. So CSE 14.5, CSBS 24,000, EC 35. Other you can get up to 45,000 also. Those are very less demandable. Now if you talk about for IEM Kolkata 5.5, that is for CSE and CSE specialization. There are lots of specialization like data science, AIML, IoT, cyber security. So those branches will be available up to 20,000. So once you register with my guidance, I will also discuss with you what you should take CSE or CSE specialization, what are the differences in different specialization. Everything I will provide you in detail. For EC 23,000, other 65,000. Now if you talk about Purulia Government Engineering College 14, 25, 29, 49,000 for CSE. EC 19, 30, 35 and 58 for all the category respectively. For other branches 28, 37, 44 and 66. Techno India Salt Lake 7, 10 and 27 and 70,000 for CS, IT, EC and other branches, that is mechanical civil. Now if we talk about Heritage Institute of Technology 6, 8.8, 25 and for other 68,000. For Kuch Bihar Government Engineering College, here is the information. 9, 16, 20, 45,000 for CSE, EC 14, 20, 25, 50, other 20, 25, 30 and 60,000. Now if you talk about Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University, so there is only two branch available as of now. General 6 and 9,000, OBC 8 and 15 for CSE A and B, that is OBC A and B, IT 10 and 20,000, SC 13, 18, ST 35 and 60,000 for CSIT respectively. Now if you talk about for University of Kalyani, this college will be available for other student as well. So for IT 8 and 24 and 10,000 for OBC, SC 19 and 50, EIE 10,000 for general, OBC 33 and 12, SC 23, ST 60,000. Now if you talk about Meghnad Shah Institute of Technology 25, 32 and 43,000 for CSE, IT, EC respectively. Now if you talk about Netaji Subhas Institute of Technology 16, 26, 36,000, that is for CS, IT, EC. St. Thomas Engineering College 12, 20, 33,000. Now if you talk about RCC Institute of Technology 16, 35, 42. Haldia Institute of Technology 12, 19, 30. Bengal College of Engineering and Technology 45, 70 and 90,000. Now if you talk about Bengal Institute of Technology, then 45, 55, 80. Asansol College of Engineering 45, 63, 77. VC Roy 31, 50, 54, 80,000. MCKB 30, 45, 60. UAM Kolkata fee is a little bit high as compared to other colleges, but the cutoff is 70,000, 75 and 90,000. Nirula Institute of Technology 27, 50 and 75. Future Institute of Technology 38, 55, 76. VP Potter Institute of Technology 18, 34 and 44,000. This was the complete information. I hope I have covered most of the top colleges, all of the top colleges. If you know any more college, you can comment down so that I can cover up in the next video. So please try to subscribe the channel, and if you want my guidance whenever you want, you can contact me so that I can provide you the best out of your rank, and whatever rank I have provided you, once you do the better counseling, then only you are going to get the college up to that rank in the WBJEE 2024 counseling process. Thank you.